Hi YouTube, my name is Alethea, and first of all, this is my first video here on YouTube ever, first video on my channel, and first time ever sitting here speaking to a camera. I just want you to know I put a lot of thought into doing this. I've put a lot of commitment into my community I want to build here on YouTube. I am ready to give it my all. I'm ready to create a great community of men and women here that watch my videos, that will subscribe to me now and in the future, and just thank you for being here. I want to make sure I'm being myself. I want to make sure I'm not trying to put a facade around who I am in real life versus who I am on camera, because that's just not the kind of image I want to create here. I just want to say literally thank you so much for even clicking on my video, for even giving me a time of your day, you know, just thank you, and I can't express that enough. So please subscribe. I have many more videos coming soon. I'm going to be uploading probably at least once or twice a week now that it's summertime and I don't have school to worry about. Thank you again, and as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about some products that I got from the drugstore that have been getting from the drugstore. I will 110% be buying again in the future, and I want to share them with you guys because it's hard times right now, but we need to stay bougie, we need to stay fresh. So I want you guys to have some options that are under $15. Every single thing that I'm about to tell you about, great products under $15, and I have zero reason to lie to you guys because I have 0 subscribers, so I'm not sponsored. So I don't have a sponsored opinion to tell you guys. Nobody's paying me to do this yet, and I just want to thank you for helping me get started on this. And I have a basket full of goodies that I'm going to talk about, and I'm really excited because all these products are things that I 110% believe are amazing products. I've invested some time into researching ingredients that they use in these products and just the brands themselves, and I'm really happy to speak about them on behalf of my skin. So the first couple things I have to talk about are specifically body care and some skincare. So I kind of separated it from body and beauty / makeup, but it's beauty overall. So this first thing I'm going to talk about is Palmer's, and I have 2 other products following this from Palmer's, and this Palmer's coconut oil body lotion is so amazing, guys. I don't know if you can see it because I know my lighting is tragic right now. I just don't know what I'm doing with this ring light at all. But it's made with vitamin E, and vitamin E is very good for you. I know that some people have had some controversy with Palmer's because there was a thing back in the day that they used mineral oil, but now it is legally disclosed on their products that they use no mineral oil, which is amazing because mineral oil is not good to be putting on your body. There is 0 alcohol in this. I love that body lotion. It's very moisturizing, and I can't say enough good things about it. This next thing I want to talk about is also from Palmer's. It's part of their skin therapy line, and it is a skin therapy oil. So this is said to be used all over your body. You can use it to improve scars, uneven skin, damaged skin, and aging skin tone, or Asian skin, uneven skin tone. I really love this because I think that this has really improved my acne scars. So if you guys have, girls, let me know, because I know women get this a lot because it's like a hormonal thing. I get this bumpy, texturized, weird patch that goes over my forehead and on my cheeks. Don't know what causes it. From what I've looked up, it's hormonal texture basically that is just caused, or it's like bacterial acne, and it really sucks. So this has helped with the mini scarring that goes along with that, and I can't recommend it enough. And I forgot to tell you the price on this. If I forget to say it, I'm gonna make sure when I go through and edit that I have the price somewhere around me. So the next thing I have to talk about from Palmer's is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E. Heals Softens, and this is supposed to be used for your feet. I use it all over my face. I think it's really good for the uneven spots that you have. Just as a skin therapy oil, I think it works really well for acne scarring. And I also, girls, you're gonna appreciate this tip, bikini line razor bumps. Literally every female's worst enemy. This has helped a lot. I don't know if you can see it from here because of my lighting. It's like a putty. It's like a yellow putty, and it is kind of waxy, I'll admit, but you kind of have to scoop it up, and I kind of just rub it in between my fingers, and I will put it on my bikini line, I'll put it on my knees, I'll put it on my face, put it on my neck, literally everywhere, because I love it. And it really, I truly mean this, that I feel like it has been firming my skin along with taking away razor bumps, acne scars, whatever it may be. But if you're a girl and you have razor bumps, please buy this. Really inexpensive and so worth it. So worth it. So the next two things I have are specifically for washing your face and moisturizing your face, and they're both CeraVe, I don't know. I say CeraVe products, and I love them. If you watch Skincare by Hiram, I will link his YouTube down below and let him know that I sent you, because if he ever notices me, I might actually pass out, because I admire his energy. I admire the energy he has when talking about skincare. He is so passionate, and he does his research. He's a skincare specialist for the skincare company he works for, and he knows his info and his research and his products, and he loves CeraVe, and I have done so much research on CeraVe, and specifically the Renewing Essay Cleanser has gotten rid of those pesky bumps and texture that I will get on my skin that isn't really whiteheads or blackheads, but it's there, and it works. I recommend 10 out of 10, and please go watch Skincare by Hiram. He will help you learn so much more about your skincare. Definitely check him out. CeraVe Essay Cleanser, the hydrating cleanser, is also really great, and I recommend all their products along with the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. So this is a little guy, it's a little product, but this, honestly, trust me when I say it lasts a while, it does. I've had this for about a month and a half. There's still a lot of product in it, and this, only $4. Only $4. And you can get the bigger size that is in like this size for your whole body, but I don't really need it for my body because I have so many other lotions, including my favorite, the Palmer's I mentioned earlier, and this one is perfect for your face. I just have it sitting on my dresser with my cute little skincare organizer. It vibes out over there, and I really love it, and it is so inexpensive, so I recommend. The next thing I have is my last like body care product before I get into the beauty side of these products that I want to recommend to you, and this is an Dollar Tree product. Now you're probably like, girl, I am not buying Dollar Tree beauty, but do not sleep on Dollar Tree. Do not sleep. This is Olay. This is Olay, okay? And it is Shea Moisture line. I think it's a line from them, but it's a shea butter soap bar. That's a lot to say, but it's a shea butter soap bar, and it is still in the packaging because I already have one unpacked and I've been using it for the past couple months. This is seriously thebomb.com, and I don't know how many of you guys have smelled shea butter, but shea butter smells bomb. It's a bomb smell. And this, again, is at the Dollar Tree, and it's just a bar soap. And I don't know what it is about bar soap, but I just love the way it lathers compared to soap that's in a big dispenser, if that makes any sense. 10 out of 10 recommend this, and I will be bringing Dollar Tree hauls to you guys and Dollar Tree product reviews to you guys because I love me some Dollar Tree products. You'll see. So the next thing I'm going to recommend is getting into my beauty, and again, this is also from Dollar Tree, but it's also e.l.f. So it's still name brand. I love e.l.f. I have another e.l.f. product here I want to show you guys, and again, still totally inexpensive. So this is the Shape and Stay wax pencil, and it's in clear. I use this for my eyebrows. I know there are girls out there that really dig the sleek eyebrow look, no feathery hairs going on, or you have the girls who really love the fanned out looking hairs. This is for everybody, honestly. I love when my eyebrows are in place and they're sharp and they're sassy, and that's why I love this. But I also have a couple girlfriends that love using this with that feathery look. If you guys watch Whitney Simmons, she has some feathery eyebrows. She pulls them off. Couldn't be me. But regardless, this product works for everybody. It's literally just a wax pencil, and it's $1, and you get it at Dollar Tree. And do not let e.l.f. fool you. They will sell their products for such different price deficits. Like at CVS, this is $4. I'm not spending $4 on some wax. Like, no. Dollar Tree. So continuing with e.l.f. This e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist is amazing, and I told you guys earlier in the video I really love the way coconut products smell, like with my coconut lotion. And this has a coconut scent, but it is not coconut fragrance. Short little tip, do not buy products because, oh my gosh, this watermelon dewy setting mist, this citrus whatever, you don't want that fragrance on your skin. It's not good for your skin. It'll probably irritate you or make your makeup look cakey, whereas this I think just naturally smells like coconuts because it wasn't advertised as like a coconut smell. And I believe this is $8, $6 or $8. Again, I'll put it somewhere around me so we know for sure. But I got this at Walmart and I love it. It is bigger for a setting spray, at least from the ones that I use, and it's drugstore. e.l.f. honestly never really disappoints, and I love this product. So the next thing I have is a setting spray as well, but this is from Milani. I have really grown to love this brand. I think you can only find this at CVS. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I normally see Milani at CVS. I really like it. I think it's an affordable, yet, well, it's middle price. I wouldn't say it's like 110% affordable like how e.l.f. is, but it's middle price for drugstore, but it's like, in my opinion, high-end quality with some of their products, and they are famous for creating dupes. This Milani Make It Last Setting Dewy 16-hour spray is definitely a dupe for the Urban Decay All-Nighter. That's what I used to use, and I've quickly switched over because, one, I got tired of paying so much money for an all-nighter spray, and I'm one of those girls that is like non-stop like spraying setting spray. I'm that girl. I definitely recommend this. Again, it's the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. It's 16-hour wear, and it's definitely a dupe. Can't go wrong, and I believe it's $9. This Milani product that I want to end my video off with is something that I really, really love, and it's the Prime Perfection Face Primer, and it's hydrating. It comes in this little white and black packaging, and it says that it primes skin to create a smooth canvas for makeup, and it hydrates while also creates a natural finish. So I'm not super into the matte primers because I feel like it doesn't capture my makeup all day like how dewy hydrating ones do. This does not give me the cakey look at all. I was very hesitant to buy it because it said natural finish, but this really knocks it out of the park, guys. I love the brand, love the product, has good ingredients, and you just really can't go wrong with this. So I really like this product, and it's a great primer. If you're not using primer, even if you put BB cream on, please put primer on your face. It makes it so much better for your skin when you wash it off at night. Better be using CeraVe when you wash your face. When you wash it off at night, if you have a primer on your face, it makes your makeup just come off so much easier. I definitely recommend getting a primer, especially that Milani one. So my basket is empty now. I have gone through these products because they're ones that I truly love, and like I said in the beginning of the video, I have absolutely no reason to lie to you guys because I'm not getting paid to do this. So I really hope you guys took some good advice, some good products. Look out for it next time you're at the drugstore. I really recommend all of them, and I can't wait to do more videos like this in the future. Just to get you kind of set up on what my channel is going to have later on. I want to do a lot of lifestyle videos. I want to incorporate what I eat in a day. I want to show you guys how I cook, what I eat, how I work out. I'm vegan, so that means I eat 0 animal products. Love cooking. I think I'm a great cook, and I want to show you guys what I eat in a day. I want to show you my lifestyle. I definitely can't wait to show you guys some room tours, some fun DIY and decor things, and just honestly whatever you want to see. Please let me know. It's only gonna help me, or let me know what you don't want to see. I will take anything, any comment, and I honestly can't wait to get this channel kick-started, and I will see you in my next video.
Yeah.